Hello buddy, welcome back to a brand new video. Today here I'll be telling you guys how I review my car models and basically learn about them with you guys. So yeah, anyways, what I'll be discussing in this video is how I review all the car brands, including Land Rover, Chevrolet, Honda, Toyota, Daewoo or Daimler, Opel and Datsun, and all those car models based that exist on the planet. So yeah, including some semi trucks, which are like Freightliner and so yeah, let's dive in. So for the first step, I like to doing is probably like researching more. For example, I like going on Wikipedia because that's one of my like resources for like learning about vehicles, because I feel like Wikipedia has like more in-depth like car models with their generations and stuff. Because the reason how I like to learn about cars is for the generations. Like for example, like the Chevrolet Silverado, which is probably like one of my favorite trucks, but I like all like the Chevrolet models like equally. So yeah. Anyways, I'll be telling you guys how I read that. So I basically like going on the Wikipedia website, like Chevrolet models, and yeah. So I like going on like the Chevrolet vehicles, and this is how like I reveal all the vehicles on Chevrolet. For example, if I can find it, like right here. Wait. For the Cheyenne, which was built on the GMC platform as well, and so the first what replaced the Chevrolet Silverado was a Chevrolet CK. If you guys don't know what CK means, it basically means C for two-wheel drive and C for K for four-wheel drive as well. So yeah. So I usually like reviewing as their like generations first. For example, I like going on the main articles and stuff. So I like reading all of this stuff and just work my way down. So yeah. And like for example, the second generation, the third generation, and all the variants and stuff and special editions, blah blah blah. Fourth generations, and you're like more on. So yeah. So let's say I wanted to like review a Bugatti model. So I will basically search Bugatti models. I spelled around, but that's okay. So I like reviewing, for example, let's do a Type 41, which is probably one of my favorite models. So yeah, if I wanted to review like this model, I would type the history of it, the engines, the designs, the production models, and yeah, so it's like from 4 on. So I would like if I wanted to put a like car model on in a like picture or something, I'll probably do a side view, because I like for some reason I like the side views of them. So yeah. So I would do Type 41. So sorry for my correction on yeah, whatever. Side view. If they didn't have any, it's for example like this. For example, I would like download this image and like place it on the background editor, which I have right here. For example, I have some of these Jeep Cherokees, which is the first video I'll be doing as my first Cherokee my car model evolution, which I'll be like probably uploading that like probably more later this weekend or week. So yeah. So I'll be doing this vehicle, which is probably one in my latest videos and stuff. And yeah, so but anyways, review the history of it. Is I like search history of it, for example history, and this is basically how I review the history of it. Like for example, the Bugatti Type 41 from 1926 to 1933 is a legendary ultra luxury car designed to be the world's most luxurious vehicle for the royalty. So yeah, and I basically like see all the history of it, the key historical aspects, the 6 models, the Coupe Milan, the Roadster, and Azures, and more on. So yeah, so how I reviewed the engine of it is well, there's 2 ways I can review it. Is for the Wikipedia, or I search it in here as well. So I can basically like see all the stuff in it, like the engine type, which is a straight 8 engine over a camshaft, which has like 3 valves per cylinder as well, and has a displacement of a 12 cylinder powerhouse as well, which is 12,763 centimeters, and with a bore stroke about 1 to 25 millimeters times 130 millimeters as well. So yeah, which has a brake power output of a 300 brake horsepower with 1,800 RPMs with 3,000 RPMs as well. So yeah. So let's say, for example, I wanted to learn some fun facts about this vehicle, like the Bugatti Type 441. I would basically, for example, I would type the fun facts about it in it. So it would give me like it would basically give me some information about the fun facts about it, the remarkable facts about the Bugatti Type 41 Royale, the immense size, the massive engine, the elephant ornament, the rating value, no headlights, the royalty failure, the price tag, and passenger intercom as well. So yeah, so I will basically put these like fun facts about them in my videos and stuff, and I would basically like take me like for like hours to put these, or like or less hours, basically on how long this learning generation is. So yeah, for example, if I wanted to do this fun fact, it basically like put me like 1 minute, or lower. So yeah, I would basically put this and move my way on, and yeah. So let's say, for example, I wanted to review a semi-truck model. So yeah, so I will basically go to Freightliner models. I don't know why I keep spelling these models wrong. Okay, I spelled it wrong, but it's all good. So models, and it would basically like put all the models right here, but for real, for example, I will have it right here or right here. So I have all the information I need, for example, right here, but it doesn't like show with the pictures about it, but I can like search on the internet about the pictures of it, like for example the FLA. If I can, the Freightliner FLA. FLA, for example, like this truck right here, and I would just basically do the same thing as I would do it as my other car models as well. So yeah. So let's say, for example, I wanted to like review the Ford Fusion, the one that my grandma has or my mom has like previous. So like for the Ford Fusion first generation. So for this, for example, a fun fact is that I have actually one of these cars drew. It's probably one in my car drawing book as well. So yeah, so I'll basically literally do the same thing as I would do for my car models. So yeah, so I'll basically do all that, and yeah. So let's say, for example, I wanted to review a Chevrolet Silverado. Let's say like a third generation Chevrolet Silverado. So I'll basically do that. like, sorry for Silverado third generation. For example, it has some variants. I don't know what specific year it has, because I think years of the generations are with them. So yeah. So let's say for example I wanted to like review this for my like feature videos and stuff. So I'll basically go to this, wait for load, and right here. So so there's like some examples I can review them on, right here and right here. You can't spell. I guess like right here. So I'll basically put the history about it. History, which is this stuff right here. On that, which, if you guys didn't know, the Chevrolet CK, which I told you guys about that, became the first before the Chevrolet Silverado. And the fun facts about it, the engines, the third engine, generation engines. Oh my gosh, my spelling is somewhere else. Whatever. So yeah, but anyways, I'll like review all the engines about it, and I'll put these engines in my videos, and yeah. So let's say for example the 4.3 liter Ecotec or Ecotec V6, or the engine name the LV3. So let's say for example this engine is a base engine that was producing by like 285 horsepower and 305 foot-pound torque as well. So yeah, basically put this engine in the video, and the applications for this car or it's a truck. So let's say for example I'm gonna copy this model, because I think some trucks use this engine as well. So yeah. So let's say for example, some trucks that uses this car is a GMC 1500, the 2014 model from the 2024 model as well, and the Chevrolet Expressway with the GMC Civic, which are RVs as well. So yeah, I'll be reviewing all these from the features, and yeah. So some pictures about the engine. So let's say for example I own this car or truck, and it'll basically give me the engines about everything, and yeah. So yeah guys, that's gonna cover it for today's video on how I'll be reviewing all of these car models, including their generations and stuff. So yeah, for example, if you guys were wondering how much models I'll be reviewing, which are these things, and yeah, I'll be reviewing some quads, dirt bikes, some motorcycles, planes, and everything that runs on wheels. So yeah. So yeah, but anyways, I'll be doing a Jeep Cherokee, which I'll be uploading this weekend, like later on week, and a Jeep Cherokee, and a Chevrolet Silverado, no, the Chevrolet CK, the Ford Fusion, and the Honda Civic, all the generations, and yeah, to just work my way up, and yeah. Hope you guys have a great, fantastic rest of your day. Comment what cars you guys want me to review, and yeah, stay safe and take care. Peace. God bless you all.